Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which actually powers by Google Gemini Pro AI, and it actually generates comments for your source code automatically. You just select your source code and it will generate the comments. This is the name of the extension, Code Charm. It's a newly extension which is deployed on VS Code. I recently checked it. If you go to extensions, just type the name here, Code Charm. This is the name here. If you just type this, you will see this extension will come. I personally tried this, it works. It has got only 3 installs, but just click the install button and just install and activate this extension. So after that, it will take the use of Google Gemini AI and generate the comment. So once it is activated, go inside your source code. So let's suppose I take an example of a file here, index.php code. I go to the file and simply I select the code here for which I need to generate the comment using the mouse. So simply select that code first of all, and then either you go to the command palette or simply type the shortcut Control Shift P, and right here just search for this extension Code Charm, and this will come right here. You will see generate comment. Just click it, and in the background it will generate the comment here. You will see. So now it generated this comment here, the slash. You will see assign 5 to first, assign 7 to second. So these icons are also automatically generated. So as you can see how perfectly it had generated. And if you just want to generate the comment here of the whole file, you simply select the whole file here like this, the whole PHP code. Simply select it and simply type Control Shift P, which open the command palette, and simply type Code Charm and enter. And after that it will scan all the code here and then automatically generate comment for it. You will see for each line it generated this nice little comment here, documentation. So if you're deploying the code here, it's very good. It will save you a lot of time here. So you can see for each line it has generated these comments here, which are more than good looking. You will see it also have these icons also, and it also works with other languages as well. So if you want to generate comments here for the HTML language as well, so you select the language here. After that, again press the keyboard here, which is Code Charm, generate comments. So now it will generate this HTML comments as well. You will see that. So you can do this unlimited number of time. There is no kind of restriction that you need to put any sort of API key. It is using the power of Google Gemini Pro. So as you select a bunch of code here, simply select that and then type Control Shift P, Code Charm, and then it scans the entire code and generates the comments for each line of code. So definitely install this extension. It's a fairly new extension, but still it works here. So I can show this for any language here. It can be, you can see JavaScript as well. So again we select the code and then type here Code Charm. So once again it will scan the code here and now it will generate the documentation. So it works with any language here. So after selecting the code, simply type Code Charm, and so this is the extension here, Code Charm. Definitely install it. It is using the Google Gemini Pro AI for generating smart comments for your source code and VS Code. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.